Good morning students. Today we are going to start exercise 11.4. First question is, given a cylindrical tank, in which situation you will find surface area and in which situation volume? Here you have to remember one thing, the surface area is the area that describes the material that will be used to cover a geometric solid. And the volume is the measure of how much a figure can hold and is measured in cubic units. So first part है A part, to find how much it can hold. That means in this situation we will find volume. Second part is number of cement bags required to plaster. Cement bags चाहिए. That means in this situation we will use surface area. Part C is to find the number of smaller tanks that can be filled with water from it. That means here we will use or we will find volume. Next is question number 2. Diameter of cylinder A is 7 centimeter and the height is 14 centimeter. Diameter of cylinder B is 14 centimeter and height is 7 centimeter. Without doing any calculations, can you suggest whose volume is greater? Verify it by finding the volume of both the cylinders. Check whether the cylinder with the greater volume also has the greater surface area. Here firstly, without doing any calculation, firstly we have to suggest whose volume is greater. Then we have to find the volume of both A and B cylinder and check whose volume is greater. Next, we will have to find the surface area and check whose surface area is greater. So, three things we have to check in this question. Diameter of cylinder A equal to 7 centimeter. How we can calculate the radius? Diameter by 2 equal to 7 by 2 centimeter. And height of the cylinder A is 14 centimeter. Now diameter of cylinder B is 14 centimeter. Radius of cylinder B, D by 2 means 14 by 2, 7 centimeter. And height of cylinder B equal to 7 centimeter. Now without doing any calculation, volume of B is greater as radius is greater. Because radius of cylinder B is 7 centimeter and radius of cylinder A is 7 by 2 centimeter. Means हाँ, क्योंकि according to the formula pi r square h होता है ना formula, that means कि r square, अब जिसका r ज़्यादा होगा उसका उतना volume ज़्यादा होगा. Clear? Now we will find the volume of cylinder A. Pi r square h, 22 by 7, value of the pi, 7 by 2 square into 14. When you solve it, you will get 539 centimeter cube. And the volume of cylinder B, pi r square h, 22 by 7 into, इसकी radius कितनी given है? 7 square and height is also 7. Then when you solve, you will get, this will cancel with this 7. 22 into 7 becomes 1078 centimeter cube. Now, as 1078 centimeter cube is greater than 539 centimeter cube, therefore volume of cylinder B is greater. Similarly, we have to find the surface area of cylinder A and B, 2 pi r plus h. Put the values and solve, you will get, when you cancel it, you will get 11 into 35. That means 385 centimeter square. Next is surface area of cylinder B, 2 pi r plus h. Put the values and solve it. You will get 616 centimeter square. Clearly 616 centimeter square is greater than 385 centimeter square. Therefore surface area of cylinder B is greater. Next is question number 3. Find the height of a cuboid whose base area is 180 centimeter square and volume is 900 centimeter cube. Now base area of cuboid is given 180 centimeter square. अब देखो base of cuboid क्या होता है? Rectangle. So its area is equal to length into breadth. That means length into breadth is given to be 180 centimeter square. Now what is the volume? Volume of cuboid is given to be 900 centimeter cube. And what is the formula to find the volume? Length into breadth into height equal to 900 centimeter cube. Now put the value of length into breadth here as it is given to be 180 centimeter square into h equal to 900 centimeter cube. Now h इधर ही रह जाएगी, 180 centimeter square will divide it the 900 centimeter cube. When you cut it you will get 5 centimeter. That is height of the cuboid equal to 5 centimeter. That is the answer. Next is question number 4. A cuboid is of dimensions 60 centimeter by 54 centimeter by 30 centimeter. How many small cubes with side 6 centimeter can be placed in the given cuboid? This is the dimensions of the cuboid and this is the edge of cube. We have to find how many small cubes of this size will be placed in this cuboid. Okay. So length of cuboid equal to 60 centimeter, breadth 54 centimeter and height is 30 centimeter. How we will calculate the volume? Length into breadth into height. When you multiply these three you will get 97,200 centimeter cube. Now side of small cube is given to be 6 centimeter. So volume of small cube equal to L cube, or you can say A cube or H cube. Clear? That is equal to side of small cube equal to 6 centimeter. Volume of small cube equal to L cube, or you can say H cube. So that is equal to 6 cube. 6 into 6 into 6 becomes 216 centimeter cube. Number of small cubes we have to find, that is equal to volume of cuboid by volume of small box. 97,200 by 216. When you cut you will get 450 cubes. That is the answer.